Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to discuss. I am going to discuss about hydraulic cylinder, why it is fail and how to repair. Guys, this piston, this rod, cylinder rod piston got extremely see. This is not come outside. Not okay. We are trial but not come. So there is one have solution. I have one solution. This need to cutting, grinding, and after that we make a new piston and we will repair this. And seal changing. This job need to seal changing. Oil leakage, extremely oil leakage, extremely oil leakage. Lot of oil is leakage, and today is guys very cold and -5 degree temperature, -5, and that time work is very tough for our teams, but no problem. We are very strong and working always, and no problem. -5, it is not too much cold. And this one, so finish. Also you must clean this diesel. There is brush bush and extremely got damage before. That's why rod got hit and rod got dent, and there is a scoring mark. This is rubbing. This is come out, and in cylinder is working time. During working time, this is a scoring mark, break inside. And now we are going to assemble new seal. This is a piston. Look, this is a piston, and new brought to seal kit for Atlas. This is Atlas seal kit. This is arm cylinder seal kit. If maybe someone to buy, here is part number. And today it's so cold guys, and we are working outside, but I want to discuss about this rod. Look, this rod got damaged. Operator somewhere hit this got a scrape hit here, and after that there is a damaged bush inside bush is working and come a scoring mark. After that this is damage, and after I have a spare cylinder. This one I replacement there, and after that we will repair this. Proper grinding and some paste put here. I have paste, a special paste, industrial using paste. This is like a building, and after put this is clean proper. I put there and paper polish proper, and after that also we will going to use this cylinder also, not throw out, because always think about positive and never think negative. Always think about company property never ever destroy. Company property never ever destroy, and always try to last. Maybe not working, not possible, but maybe have possible work, maybe 1 week, 2 week. So you can try again repair and run the machine 1 week. After that you can buy new one. That is better. But company property not destroy always, because company money we must need to save. It's our responsibility, and our I always teach my colleagues and friends. Show him audience how to fixing seal. Open seal. Show him. Open. Take this knife, man. Look. And now seal. Always think about company, how to grow company, how need to grow, how to day by day going, company growing, and always do hard work and satisfaction, and don't do wrong, and don't destroy company property and materials. This is always company save, and company will be grow. After that you also going to grow up. And never ever think negative, guys. Always think positive and be humble and always help each other. डालिए इसको डालिए, put inside. ये फर्स्ट सील जो है, फर्स्ट सील डाल रहा है नीचे इसके अंदर में, ठीक है. फर्स्ट सील एंड सेकेंड वन ऑन गोइंग, ठीक है. ये बैकअप है इसका. उसके बाद ये वाशर है, ठीक है. ये कंप्लीट हो गया. अब उसमें ऐसे उसमें देयर इज ए नाउ फिक्सिंग दिस इज द सील, एंड आफ्टर दैट हेयर ऑल्सो 2 pieces need to o-ring and back up 2 pieces. Another video I will create and I will show you guys. Okay guys, have a nice day and be humble, be positive, guys. If you have any related question about hydraulic, guys, let me know, and we are discuss about hydraulic matter, hydraulics, engine, transmission. But here transmission, I maybe sometime open transmission, because transmission is failure here is about little rare time, sometime maybe transmission failure. But here is hydraulic hub here, because all equipment we have, all hydraulics machine. And engine always failure, engine many engine always fail. And you always keep positive and move on, guys. Think positive and focus what you have planned. Only for you focus what is your plan. What you have planned, you can only for focus and just move on, guys. And be humble, be positive. God bless you, all of you guys, and always help each other. Okay guys, God bless you. Have a nice day, guys.